How do I reset my Verizon FiOS router?
Hello and welcome to this quick and easy tutorial. Today, we are going to guide you through the process of resetting your Verizon FiOS router. This might be helpful if you're facing connectivity issues or if you want to change your current settings back to the default ones.
What will you need?
Before we begin, make sure you have the following. 1. Your Verizon FiOS router. We will be interacting directly with it. 2. A pin or paperclip. This will be used to press the reset button, which is typically not accessible by fingers. Remember, resetting your router will erase all your current settings, so make sure you've saved or noted down important information like customized passwords or security settings.
Locating the reset button.
The first step is to locate the reset button on your router. This is usually found at the back of your device and it's typically recessed into a small hole to prevent accidental resets.
Performing the reset.
Now that we've found the reset button, let's perform the reset. 1. Take your pin or paperclip and insert it into the hole where the reset button is located. 2. Press and hold the reset button for about 15 seconds. You might see the lights on your router turn off and then start blinking. That's a good sign. 3. After 15 seconds, release the button and wait for the router to reboot. This could take a couple of minutes.
Post-reset steps.
Once your router is back on, it will be restored to its default factory settings. From here, 1. You can reconfigure your router settings as needed, including setting up your Wi-Fi network name and password. 2. You might also need to re-enter any customized settings or configurations that were erased during the reset. And that's it. You've successfully reset your Verizon FiOS router. We hope this tutorial was helpful and you're now back online with a fresh start. Always remember that if you continue to have issues with your router, you might want to reach out to Verizon's customer support for further assistance. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.